tutorial. So today we are going to know more about HTML text formatting. So this is a new topic. We are going to start it. So first, do you know what is text formatting? Okay, so let us understand. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. HTML formatting elements. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text like bold, important text, italic text, and these are super easy. This is the easiest topic of HTML. So let us continue and have a good journey, and just tell me in the comment that if you are liking my videos or should I improve anything. So let's continue. So formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. First one is B equals to bold text, strong equals to important text, italic equals to italic text, em equals to emphasized text, and mark equals to marked text, small smaller text, del deleted text, inserted text, subscript text, superscript text. So let us understand the function of each of the following formatting elements. So HTML, B and strong elements. Often people confuse in both of these that B and strong are the same. They both are used for just seeking the user's attention, but that is wrong. The B is the HTML B element defines bold text without any extra importance. Like this text is bold, just this. It tells uh just it sells, but it is not an any extra important. It is just for highlighting or some good effect. So, but the HTML strong element defines text with a strong importance, means it has very much importance in the text. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. So it is displayed in bold. We don't have to just add the bold tag in it. So strong and bold majorly appear the same, but we'll try it in our Visual Studio Code. Do you want to try now? So let us get start and let us try these two tags in our Visual Studio Code. So do you remember this index.html which we have already created? So in last part we have done this all things, the style part, the HTML style elements. So if you haven't watched it yet, so you can go and watch it and just type a comment if you want this, if you want that file. Okay, so we have to add this all in the in our body. Okay, so let us add it. Okay, so first let us add just a simple bold text. Okay, so this is the B. So now just we have to write this. Okay, just let me remove the caps lock. See, this is a bold text. Okay, next we have strong. This strong. This text is very important. And let us add an exclamation exclamation mark over here. So let us open it in our live server. Okay, so here you will get the option of live server. If you can see it, open live server, and you can see this is bold text. This text is very important. Can you see this bold text? These are in a same line, but they both have a different story behind them. So let us view the page source. So this is our page source. If you can see, we can also view the source. So first we have to separate it. So to separate, just tell me what we have to add. Oh no, you forgot it. We have to add a break. It means a BR tag. So let us check it again that it works or not. So it works. This is a bold text. This text is very important. Okay. So next, let us go to our next formatting element. So we have some more elements here. So let us check it. So there are two more elements which in which people are all also confused that it is italic or it is emphasized. So let us know more about it. The HTML italic element defines a part of the text in an alternative voice or mode. The content inside are typically displayed in italic. The I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc. Example: this text is italic. The HTML emphasized element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. Tip: a screen reader will pronounce the word in EM with an emphasis using verbal stress. Example: EM. This text is emphasized. So let us try these both in our Visual Studio Code. So do you know we have some more options? We can try it in our p tag too. So just see. Here is a grammar word. If I want to highlight it, so I'll just put italic here. I. Okay. So this is important. Okay. So let us add a grammar word here. Grammar. Okay. Grammar. Okay. So let's just test it. No, first let us add the em tag. Em. You have to just add it. Okay. This tag, this text is emphasized. Okay. So let us just check it in our live server. So see, can you see it? Here is a grammar and here is this text is emphasized. I think so we have to add some line breaks over there. So we have fixed it. Just save it. Okay. And open it with live server. And you can see we have added some horizontal rule. Do you remember how we add this horizontal rule? Just comment down. Okay, I'll just check your comments. Okay, so let us move towards our next formatting element, which is the small element. The HTML small element defines smaller text, just like um yes, don't confuse in a font size, style and a small text. Okay, the small text should have its own size, but the font size should not have its own size. So don't confuse in that while you are coding. So let us try it in our Visual Studio Code. So let us add small over here. Okay, yeah, here. So mm, small, this text is small. Yeah. So let us check this font size. So just Control S and open with the live server. So you can see. Okay, just we have to refresh it. I think so. Let me check the FX. Open with live server. Where is it? Okay, okay. Okay, it is here. So can you see this text? This is so much small, right? This is the normal text and this is very small. Yeah, you can see it is just like at 6, but don't confuse. Okay, let us add a line break over here. So we have added the BR tag. So let us move to our next formatting tag, which is the mark and sub element. Do you know what is mark element? Okay, the HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. Okay, do not forget to buy marked milk today. Okay, and then we have one more element which is sub, which is also known as superscript text element. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in smaller font. Superscript text can be used for footnotes like www. Example, this is superscripted text. So let us try it. So now let us add that mark text over here. Okay, so let us add a paragraph over here and let us write don't mm, don't forget to bring milk from the market. Okay, so we have written the statement, just we have to add the mark over here. Oh, I added it wrong. MARK, mark milk. So let us test how it works. Open with live server. So can you see it is highlighted? This milk is highlighted. So next, let us add our one next formatting element, which is superscript. This text is super, superscripted. Okay, so let us test it with our live server. Can you see this? Superscripted. It is above. Okay, So now let us move towards our next formatting element, which is del and ins element. So HTML del element defines text that had been deleted from the document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. For example, my favorite color is del red. So let us check it. And we have one more element, which is HTML ins element. The HTML ins element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text. For example, my favorite color is del blue, del ins red ins. Okay, so let us check it. So first let us check this one with our open with live server. So can you see, this is cut, or this is the deleted text, so this is cutted. Next we have one more, which is ins. So let us try in it only ins. So we have to insert red over there, red. So let us check it too. So can you see this? My favorite color is blue, deleted, red, inserted. So next one is, so this is our last formatting element, which is the sub element. The HTML sub element defines subscript. Subscript appears half a character below the normal line and sometimes rendered in a smaller font. So, subscript can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. So let us try it. Okay. So let us try it in our Visual Studio Code. So let us try it over here. Okay, I have added this paragraph tag. Now you have to add. So I have added the paragraph tag here. So now I have added the H. Next we have to put here the sub, or the just put this sub, then 2, and then O over here. Okay, so let us check it. Open live server, R. Can we see it? H2O. So it is also used in our formulas. So let us have a small recap what we have done. So I have created the HTML text formatting elements. I have created a list over here. So just understand then. So tag B, description defines bold text. EM defines emphasized text. I defines the part of all text in an alternate voice or mood. Small is defines smaller text. Strong is defines important text. uh, Subs defines subscripted text. Superscripted text. Ins inserted text. Del deleted text. And marked or highlighted text. So this is very simple. So now I think we have to end our today's session over here, and please comment down